What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my video. I wanted to do an unboxing video of me and my first reaction of eating Yums. Something that my friend sent. It's like the universal kind of like taste the world kind of thing. And so he sent me this box, Universal Yums, and I opened it and it turns out it was from Korea. As you can see, I already eaten almost half or most of the food because I was recording a video and it just closed without saving and the video just deleted itself because I forgot that my phone has a inactivity timer of 10 minutes. So the video probably went past 10 minutes and then boom, phone turned off and now I lost all the video. Fret not though, but we're gonna make do. Is what we're gonna do. I guess I'll just catch you guys up to speed of what you guys missed. I ate. So when I opened the box showed me a Mona Lisa sticker. It says "Welcome to Italy," and it shows Mona Lisa eating a bar of chocolate. I also got a little pamphlet. It says "Off to Italy," and it has like all kinds of like it's like a pamphlet of all kinds of snacks. That's it's a book that talks about all the snacks that we have here. That's nice. And I also have like a map of Italy. And the rest is food. So let me start off with the food that I ate and finished eating. There was a orange carrot cake. Orange flavored, carrot flavored cake. Uncanny combination is actually really good. Next up, we have these weird Taralini's lemon and pepper cookies, like biscuits, and it tastes literally like a graham cracker without any flavors, with the slightest hint of lemon and pepper. Very strange cookie. And when I say slight, think of it like think of all the sand on the beach. The amount of sand on the beach compared to just one speck of this lemon pepper cookie. Yeah, the point is it's very slight hints of lemon pepper. It might as well just be regular graham cracker cookies. Honestly, not my favorite. One of my favorites is a ketchup potato chip cookie. No, it's not a cookie. Never mind. It's just like ketchup potatoes, ketchup potato chips. Yeah, this is really good. It's just like eating French fries with ketchup, but in potato chip form. And my favorite so far is this one. This is the truffle potato chips. Truffle flavored potato chips. It tastes like how you would imagine potato chips with truffle oil in them. And it's good. Put truffle oil, truffle flavor in anything, good. You could put truffle flavors with chocolate, probably be good. You could put truffle flavor and rice. I eat that. Truffle flavor with truffle flavor. Good. Next up, we have this chocolate bar. It's like a regular old chocolate bar with Italian hazelnuts. Not just any hazelnuts. Hazelnuts born straight out of Italy. Very similar to like the Hershey's almond chocolate bar, but I feel like the almonds is more. It's like softer, easier to chew. It's very nice. I was also eating this crisp almond cookie. And it's exactly like what you expect. A cookie that tastes like almonds. Very crispy. When I was first opening this bag, I actually spilled everything all over the floor. But fret not. I cleaned it up. And by cleaning it up, I meant I ate all the almond cookies that fell on the floor, because I am not one to waste food. We are also in the middle of a COVID pandemic. So, viewers' discretion advised, whatever, warning, don't eat food off the floor. That's how you get COVID. They should be teaching you that in school nowadays. Next up is the Yum bag. No idea what's inside. I'm assuming it's like candy. Hard candy. Well, let's find out. Got my trusty scissors. Not trusty, but it gets the job done. And what we have here is 3, not 1, not 2, not 3, but 3, 4 chocolate candy. No, 4, a total of 4 candy, but there's actually just 2 types. Maybe it's like that, I guess. Well, anyways, we got this Cells Soda. It's probably some kind of seltzery, lemony candy. It is yellow. Oh, and we also got a tiramisu surimi. Can't wait to try this. In the first video that got deleted, I was talking about how I probably shouldn't be trying to finish all of this just because it's probably not the healthiest. It has like a lot of calories. But honestly, like, it's all open and I can't really close it again, so it's just gonna go bad if I don't finish it. Let's eat this tiramisu though. Yummy. It's like a tiramisu cake, but in the form of a Ferrero Rocher. Oh God, my teeth hurts. I can't really eat chocolate that well, because when the chocolate sticks to my teeth, hurts like crazy. Next up is the lemon candy. Smells like lemon. Sounds like lemon. Lemon candy. I thought it would be like some kind of seltzer stuff because it says Cells, S-E-L-Z. It's just a lemon candy. And I think I went over all the food. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to say thank you, Dan, for sponsoring this video and sending me this Universal Yums. I'm actually there's gonna be like 5 more coming. No idea from which country, but can't wait to try them all. And once again, I love you guys. If you like this video and want to see more, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe on the button below. Whatever. I have no idea what people say or how people say it, but more importantly, thank you so much, Dan. I love you. Take care, and and yeah, I love you.